5th edition Lieutenant Colonel Robert Memorial Open Football Tournament 2026 की Champion Hills Academy FC na OIBA NGAMKHRE Assam Rifles na Senapati District Olympic Association Manipur SDOAM ka kutsam na duna February tarik mga degi pangthok kuna lakpa tournament ki ngasi pangthok kiba closing ceremony da Brigadier Ansuman Tripathi Commander 22 Sector Assam Rifle Tingpai Rengmai wife of late Lieutenant Colonel Robert ta Athoiba Mitunglen Singh oina sarukyaki
In 2004, organized yearly since its inception, post a supreme sacrifice on 40th of May 2020 in North Sikkim. This event, immortal edition, year 2022, into the grand spectacle of the 5th edition World Cup Open Football Tournament has delivered an electrifying spectacle of talent, unity and resilience, paying tribute to the enduring legacy of late Colonel Robert T.A. Organized by 16 Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarters 22 Sector, Assam Rifles and Headquarters Aliyah East in seamless coordination with the Senapati District Olympic Association Manipur. This event showcased 19 dynamic teams, drawing play of Manipur alongside talents from Nagaland and international star from Ghana. The teams from the top 9 Naga teams, 8 Kuti teams and 2 Kora teams, thus showcasing spirit of exemplary sportsmanship. The tournament kicked off on 5th of February and featured 36 thrilling matches from 5th to 16th of February. The quarterfinals and semi-finals unfolded from February 18 to 22nd in intense league-cum-knockout basis. In quarters, all the FC triumphed over Hills Academy served Senapati FC at out-complimented FC in a nail-biting contest. Kuti Rising FC outmatched EBR FC and Hills Academy FC conquered Myanmar